How to electro etch a Civivi pocket knife. First, a little bit of Elmer's re-stick is going to hold the stencil to the knife. You do it on the shiny side. We'll position it over the knife. It takes a second. This stencil's been used once for a mark in order to make it visible. Otherwise, it's really hard to see the lettering and stuff and align it. So position it. Have to adjust it just a little bit. Then we're going to put salt water and vinegar as my electrolyte, and we're going to move the clip over to the etch. And this actually takes a couple of minutes. We'll kind of rip through it. Here's the list of the parts. It's 12 volts, 2 amps, AC, and a 12 volt, 20 watt bulb, which is really important to control control the wattage. And this is all in my book on Amazon. So this little graphite rod comes from a D battery, a heavy-duty D battery, the old carbon zinc style, 2 for $1 at the dollar stores. And that's craft felt. And again, the electrolyte is salt water with vinegar. And I'm not sure what kind of steel this is. It's kind of a high-end steel. This knife has a coating on it of some sort, but it's conductive, so it works for an etch. You really can't refinish it, though, if you mess it up. You'd have to sand it all off. So once this is done, we'll peel it off. We'll wipe it down. We're going to put a little bit of ammonia water on it to neutralize it. I'm not really sure if it's needed for this steel or not. Some steels will flash rust if you don't do that. And you can kind of see the contrast there. It's a nice etch. Then I'm going to use a little bit of Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. I'm going to basically polish the whole blade, the whole side, so that it doesn't contrast, because this is coated. It's got some sort of a coating on it. And if I just do a little bit of it, it'll polish part of it, and then it'll sort of stand out. So here you can see it's very hard to get the detail, the right exact light, but it's a nice clean etch. This is the stencil up close. It's a fibrous material, and then a recap of the parts. Make a note of that. And what the book looks like will show up here in a second. You may be able to build this from parts you already have. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them.